Hey everybody, it's Steve here. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to open up a new Questrade account. Questrade is what I use personally for all my investments and trading. It's my favorite platform because of the no account fees, low commissions, and great customer service. So with that being said, let's get into the video. The first thing you want to do is to make sure that you're at the Questrade homepage, questrade.com/home. Then just click on the Open Account button. This will bring you to the account selection page where you'll have the option of creating a margin account, a TFSA account, RRSP account, or Forex account. For today's video, let's create a TFSA account because that's my favorite type of account and who likes to pay taxes? Now, I do have a link to a referral code in the video description below. I encourage you to use that because you'll be able to get up to $250 back once you create your account. So we'll agree to the conditions and open now. Continue. Here's where you'll enter your information such as your name, email address, and phone number. For today's video, let's put in a big name here, Elon Musk, oops, 65420 at hotmail.com. 1. Click continue. Okay, now we can enter in a user ID and password. We'll just enter that in right now. Continue. Wait for it to load. And then here we are. We created our account. So now you just need to enter in our data and complete all these steps. So we'll go into personal, click continue. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and fill out our personal information. Some of the information has already been filled out here. For the phone and email address, you're going to have to verify that. Questrade will send you a code which you can fill in to verify your accounts here. And we'll just go and quickly fill out the information here. And click on done. Okay, so now we'll fill out the employment information. We'll click start. Employment type employed, Tesla, manufacturing, CEO, president and CEO. Put in address. And then we'll scroll down to these questions. Are you employed by a securities dealer or a stock exchange? No. Is anyone associated with any of your accounts a reporting insider or a significant shareholder for a publicly traded company? No. Are you a foreign or domestic politically exposed person? No. Done. Next, we'll go on to our financial information. We'll just, again, fill that out really quickly. Done. Okay, now we'll go ahead and fill out the citizenship information. So we'll just click on start. Country of citizenship, Canada. Were you born in the US? Nope. Are you a US person? Nope. We'll quickly fill out the social insurance number here. Are you a tax resident of a jurisdiction other than Canada and the US? Nope. Certify that all my tax residence information is complete. So of course, you'll go out and fill this out according to your own information. But for me, this is just for informational purposes. So we'll click done. And it looks like our profile has been successfully completed. Now it's on to setting up our account. So we'll just click on the set up the account button. And we'll have some forms that we'll need to fill out and sign. So let's start with this first one. Do you want to trade options? Yes. What is the purpose of this account? All of the above. But of course, you'll fill it out for your specific purposes. the initial deposit. Now, Questrade does have a $1,000 minimum deposit, so I'll just go ahead and put that there. Click on Done. Consent and communication. I do not object. And of course, you'll want to go ahead and read all of this information carefully and pick the right answers that apply to you. But for me, I don't want to receive any mail. English, understand, and done. Persons with financial interest, we'll start that. And again, you'll fill this out based on your own information. Click the check mark and done. Okay, now it's time for the agreements. Let's start that. Now it's important to go ahead and read through all of these so that you know what you're getting yourself into. I've already read them beforehand, so I will just accept them quickly here for this video. Done. Just wait for it to load. Okay. And now it looks like we'll need to sign and submit our documents. So click on here, continue. Wait for the document to load, and we will agree. Scroll down. Looks like we'll need our signature there. Here, and here, and click finish. Okay, now the next step is to upload your documents. So you can just take a picture of your driver's license and upload it here. And once you've done that, the last and final step is to fund your account. So let's go ahead and click on Fund. There are several options here for funding. What I typically do is online banking. So we'll go into here. Okay, now this will bring us to the online banking page. Just go down and we will find our bank from this list. Let's go with TD, click on Fund. This will open up a new tab and you just go ahead and fill out your information, log on, and then we are going to pay bills, and we're going to add Questrade as a payee. So we'll start typing in Questrade and we'll see that it will automatically show up here. We'll just select Questrade Online Brokerage, and for the account number we'll go back to the previous tab, find our account number right here, copy and paste that into here, and optional you can put in a description just to remind yourself what this is, and we'll click next, finish, and we will pay this payee. Go ahead and we'll deposit $1,000 to start, and you can go ahead and fund your account. And once that's all done, it will take 1 to 2 business days for the funds to show up into your account, and it will also take another 1 to 2 business days for your government ID to be verified. And once that's all set up, you should be able to start buying your first stocks. Now there is just one more thing that I wanted to show you. Now if you remember in the beginning of the video I mentioned that there was a referral code and a referral bonus for both me and you. I just wanted to go into some of the details there. So if you go under account management and refer a friend, we'll find out all the details about Questrade's referral program. So for me, for every referral I make, I would be getting $25 back for my first and second referral, and $25 and a $50 bonus for my third referral. And for you, if you sign up using my referral code, If you deposit $1,000, you'll get $25 back, and if you deposit $100,000, you'll get $250 back, and all these values in between. So I hope that you used my code to take advantage of this program. Well, that about wraps up this video. If you found this helpful, I would really appreciate a thumbs up, as that would go a long way in helping me reach more viewers like you. Thank you, and see you next time.